Are you struggling to make money online? Are you paying too much for traffic? Or does the traffic you do get just not convert? Traffic is one of the most misunderstood parts of internet marketing. It shouldn't be that difficult though. There's people out there quietly making their money and you never hear from or about them. Then there's the guru types who slam it in your face repeatedly and offer you courses and methods that leave out all the important parts. And you know why they do that? Because they keep you coming back for more to fill in all those gaps they left for you, that's why. Well then, what if I told you I can solve your traffic problems once and for all? What if I told you I can not only get you traffic, but traffic that's actually going to convert for you? You probably heard people tell you this kind of stuff before, but what do the gurus tell you to do? They tell you things like, hey, go run Facebook ads, hey, go run some solo ads. They throw everything at you and they still keep secrets even after you fork out tons of money on their products. And they leave a traffic source in their back pocket, the type of traffic that's proven to convert. The type of traffic I'm talking about is search traffic. Now, if you guys don't know, and most of you already do, Google is the king of solving problems, not Facebook. People are coming to Google to search for solutions to their problems. If you put your solution in front of them on Google, they will convert because you're solving their problem. But there's still a problem with that, and the problem is that Google is expensive to advertise on right now, and they're really strict. The true gem here that's in the guru's back pocket is the prince of advertising, and that prince's name is Bing. Bing is the same type of traffic and has less rules to follow for cheaper. I've been in the same shoes as most of you with traffic problems, being lied to by the gurus, and going through so many courses I felt like my eyeballs were gonna fall out. Hi, I'm Llerena. Some of you may know me by my screen name Galaxter. I've been into internet marketing for about 2 years now, and I started after I got fired from my last 2 jobs in a row for problems that were no fault of my own. Now, I wouldn't really consider myself an internet marketer by profession. I consider myself more of a lifepreneur. All I've really wanted out of my internet marketing journey really is to live life on my own terms, and I'm using internet marketing as the vehicle for getting me those luxuries. I've had enough relying on jobs and bosses. I'd rather risk it all on myself. And I've made so many mistakes along the way in my internet marketing journey and lost so much money. I've made deals with the wrong types of people and been burned by gurus. And beyond that, I've just simply wasted money. You name it, I've probably done it. Honestly, I was just desperate. And after years, days, and many hours of learning and implementing, I've finally gotten to the point where I've made a comfortable living for myself online. And now I can afford to be where I want, when I want. So the bad news I have for you is this internet marketing thing is super convoluted with tons of trash that's rehashed, old, and simply doesn't work. And you need an eagle eye for sifting through all the trash to find all the nuggets. On the other hand, the good news is I'm not the type of person that puts out trash. And I'm here today to bring you an answer to almost every internet marketer's problem, and that's traffic. Using my method, you will also have your traffic problem solved, and finally get those incredible conversion rates you're after. Without having to worry about the traffic anymore, you can now simply focus on your creatives and your split testing. If you're like me and struggle to get buyers to your offers, then this is for you. The truth is, this secret method has been in the guru's back pocket for a long time. It's not exactly new. And up until now, it was only shared at their fancy conferences in exotic places all over the world. While they're showering in all their money they're getting from PPC, they're probably just kicking back and laughing at all of us smaller guys, watching us as we're barely scratching the surface of what's actually possible online. So what I'm going to reveal to you today, without even buying this course, is already a golden nugget in itself. Are you ready for the golden nugget? Step 1, stop your Facebook ads. Step 2, advertise on Bing, collect Facebook pixel data of buyers from Bing. Step 3, then you go back to Facebook and scale that bad boy with Facebook ads. Now the problem becomes when it comes to PPC on Google and Bing, the gurus have one other thing in their back pocket. They know how to do insane keyword research. The type of keyword research that shows them exact keywords they need to target and converts like fire burns through paper. I'm talking about the type of keyword research that not only shows them how much search volume a keyword gets, and just a rough estimate of how expensive it would be to target that keyword. Nope. This technique goes beyond that. This technique will reveal to you the CTR of keywords so you can only target keywords that people will actually click into. No more wasted money on keywords that are not even getting clicked. You can even pick and choose your CTR and only show the keywords that meet that criteria and above. And the best part about all of this is that the data comes straight from the source, Bing itself. So it's dead accurate. If you ever thought this type of keyword research is beyond your understanding, or you just can't find the person who will show you the whole process without leaving out all the important parts, or if you simply thought keyword research is just too boring or too hard, let me stop you right there. The thing you need to understand is that the research phase is the lifeblood of your entire campaign. Get the research phase wrong and you light your money on fire. But if you get it right, you multiply your money like rabbits mating. Introducing Bing Ads Domination, my step-by-step ebook that walks you through the entire research phase from beginning to end, and leaves you with high converting keywords for your campaigns. What was once difficult to understand, now is not. The steps are literally numbered for you, and it's impossible to get lost or make a mistake. And at the end of the process, you're going to be left with a diamond list of keywords. The best part about it is it only takes you about 15 to 30 minutes to finish the entire process. And that's if you were only doing it with one hand. Click below now for instant access to my ebook, and learn how the gurus are actually doing this while teaching you something else. So what are you getting when you pick up your copy of Bing Ads Domination? You're getting a complete guide to finding diamond keywords that convert like wildfire on Bing. A playbook that shows you the exact process you can use as a reference to do this over and over again as many times as you want. You get my personal Skype inserted into the ebook to talk about strategies and help you out further. And finally, you get access to my $100 Bing coupon service to apply to your Bing accounts for even cheaper advertising. I've given out review copies to a few lucky marketers and they are absolutely crushing it using this technique, and now you can too. This method is tested and proven to work by the greedy gurus themselves who wouldn't share it. 15 to 30 minutes of this keyword research will change your conversion rates forever, and it just couldn't get any easier for you to do. And the results are almost instant. At first, I was going to release this product as a personal training and charge several $100s for access to this method. Honestly, even if I were to price it at $500, the method is so under the radar, so high value, and converts so well that you would make your investment back within days. And then some. Now, although I may still raise the price or take the product completely off the market, you can still get your hands on Bing Ads Domination at a huge discount when you click the button below to order right now. But please don't wait. The price will increase and I will take this product off the market eventually to prevent oversaturation. There is no losing on this method unless you choose not to pick it up at all. Armed with this ebook, you will have everything you need to slay the gurus and finally get the buyer traffic to your offers that you desire. And on top of that, there's no OTOs, nothing else to buy, no missing pieces to the puzzle. Absolutely everything you need to succeed is right here in this ebook right now, ready for you to use. Implementing this method could and will make you thousands of dollars just like the gurus if you take action now. And to be honest, you're buying this golden nugget method that will bring you buyers for the cost of a pizza. So click the button below to get instant access and real results now.